What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to buy on Bullx new. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. We'll begin by going to the wallet manager from the left side bar. Click on wallet manager. And now make sure that you have deposited some Solana in your Bullx wallet using your Phantom wallet or any other wallet you want. Once we are done with that, we'll head back and select any random token. And once you click on that token, you will see this main interface, and on the right side will be buy and sell options. You can simply go and type in the amount that you want to buy or select presets from the below. And here are some other settings you might want to see before executing a transaction. And once you have checked these settings, you can head back and simply click on this option in order to buy. Similarly, you can head over to sell option and sell using the same method. Well, that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.